journey of chocolate. We have all eaten chocolate, but not many of us know where it comes from or how it is made. Historian says chocolate has been around for almost 2,000 years. In ancient times, chocolate was a symbol of wealth, as only the rich could afford it. Chocolate came from Central and South America to Spain in 1500s through 1500s through Spanish explorers who brought it back with them. It became very popular and soon spread throughout Europe. You would be amazed to know that chocolate comes from cocoa trees in its raw form. It is very surprising that the flowers of a cocoa tree grow on the trunk of the tree, not on its branches.